Hi, this is Simpson, and I'm going to be in Ireland soon. So this is just to say thanks to Turin Mirza for putting the training of SP together. And I'm doing it on the beach in Vancouver Island. So you can see we still have sunshine at the end of October here. And so I'm going to be in the UK in about a week or 9 days, something like that. And I thought I'd put this together just to really thank Turin because he's done great work and I really like him. So I just say, Turin, you see those guys kayaking? You know me, not adventurous of any kind, so I'm staying with my feet right here on the beach. But if you came, you could do that because I know you're full of beans and you like to do all kinds of stuff. So you're welcome to come here when the weather's warmer, maybe in the summer, and join us out here. Thanks, and I'll see you soon, the London Convention, and then in close to Belfast.